Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how we can resolve excluded by noindex tag error in Google Search Console. So you can find these errors in pages section. So when you will open your Google Search Console account and then you will go to indexing section and then pages, you can find these issues. So if you are a SEO or website owner, you must resolve all these errors. So one by one, I am explaining these how we can resolve these errors. So first, we will resolve this error excluded by no index tag. So Google, if Google finds any no index pages in your website, they can tagged here. So if you did this intentionally, then it is okay. No need to worry about that. You can check the list here and you can verify here by opening this page. Use codes. And you can see no index. You can see here. So these are pages are no index actually. So you can manually verify that yeah, this is we have or not. And suppose we are not able to find no index tag here, so you can check http header. So for http header, you just copy this URL and we can open this here. So there is a plugin. Name is robots exclusion checker. So here you can find if you no index your pages by X robots. X robots meta we add in generally HTTP header. So manually or by checking view source you cannot find it. So by using this Chrome extension you can check this easily. Let's get back to here. But now suppose you did this intentionally but still you are getting errors, then how you can resolve it? Yes, you can resolve it. And how you can resolve it? You just need to add no follow tag here. So suppose the site is uh, this, and here this is the page which is no index, and you can see this in the Chrome extension. This is no index, no follow. And here if you check, you can find that we have a no follow. So if you have uh, any no index page internal links in your website, you can add no follow tag. So Google will not find them, and if they will not find them, they will not count here. So if you have no index, why you want to crawl them? Why you want to allow them to crawl these pages by Google? So just add no follow tag for these internal links, and slowly you will see that Google will remove, I mean, decrease these numbers. And so we can say that yes, we can resolve this error. And how you will find that for these pages we have internal links? So you can use just screaming frog. Suppose if I run this website, so you can find here all the links. And suppose you want to, yeah, any page we can do. Suppose you want, this is the no index page and you want to see where we have internal links, so just click here and then click in links. So these are the pages where we have link of this page. So it's very easy to find internal links. So hope you guys like my video. It's helpful, I hope. So thank you for watching this video, and have a nice day. Thanks.